we're gonna go now to the Paseo de Magallanes to have some fun. Hello, Sir Raul. Good morning. Have a nice day. Yeah. Alright, so we're gonna head straight. We'll be turning right. And then we'll go to a place where we can talk about what's gonna happen. You know what I really feel right now, guys? Tasha is not gonna really win. There was a fight for about an hour, I think somewhere in BGC. Si Tasha versus parang this girl. She's a very strong girl. She threw Tasha, like she was like 6.61 or 6'5" tall, thrown all over BGC. At exactly 4:30, gonna happen. Alright, let's go. Ooh, shit. Let's go to the Honda. Or let's go here first. Alright, looks like it's gonna be a full parking. Let's go. Alright, City Magallanes time, guys. Let's go. Okay, so we're here now, ladies and gentlemen, at the Paseo de Magallanes. Diba kanina we went to the Honda, right? This is the next place, the next space where you should destroy 8 years old to about 20 or 29 years old na girls. Very slim, sexy, blonde, beautiful. Yung mga girls ngayon sa Malate, when you see them, nako, bring them to a place like this, start to bang them, start to break them, throw them, lahat. But at the end of the fight, destroy their legs, break it, bang them. Alam mo, kagabi, we went to Malate for about an hour. But we went to Malate, right? Hindi nyo ba alam, si Nami, yung mga babae doon, di ba? Isang babae Nami, oh, nag-away siya isa sa lalaki, tapos yung suot niya skirt na pink, heels na black. Oh, pero guys, what the fuck, right? Kagabi nga si Nami, away ng isang lalaki, pero the girl muntik na starts to throw her, bang her face, to break her, to drill her. Guys, if you can imagine a beautiful girl, look at this place. Diba? You bring her there, you start to throw her to whatever, right? Grabe. Only place that will let girls die in pain. Diba? Wow. Si Tasha, buong dito. Pinapon siya dito. Yan. Isang lalaki, winasak katawan. She was perspiring. But the legs kept on doing it. Si Nami fought. Did you notice, ha? Margaret Season came in. Starts to fight. Bang. Break. Si Margaret daw, killer. Si Margaret, she shot Nami's body, threw her into a construction like this, threw her into a machine, broken legs. Tasha, do not do it. Don't. So yeah, I don't know what's the plan. Diba? Alright, let's head down the roads. Third video. See you.